सर जो तेरा चकराए या दिल डूबा जाए आजा प्यारे पास हमारे काहे घबराए ग्रीन री green trees, beautiful nature, haryali. That's the answer to all of that. Spend some time in nature. Even if it's a little warm, you could say bye to your seats or your tables or your beds for a bit and step out in the sun. And believe me, it is so refreshing. I had half a heart to not come out, but then I had no other option but to step out because normally I come out for a walk at this hour and I'm also into golf and stuff. So for me, when people say it's really hot or something, I'm on a different tangent altogether. It's not hot for me, right? So people, how's it going? How's the scene? How's life? How's Monday? I'm Jashin Kapani, the founder and CEO of I'm Decor and Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. And when you step out, let me remind you, or let me share this with you, because I'm in the line of designing furniture and accessories, and I do a lot of other stuff as well. Nature is something which just refreshes you up every time, and you have great ideas. So I've been walking here for at least half an hour, 40 minutes, and I've soaked up nature. I've seen the flowers around. I'm seeing the bark of the trees. I'm seeing the leaves and everything. I'm taking a look at the road, the sky, the sun, the clouds. So I know for sure when I go back, I'm going to have lots and lots of, ideas coming to me, and I'm definitely and certainly going to be feeling grounded and in the moment and stuff, because this is what nature does. So from nature is inspired one of my series of designs, which is in the form of coasters and trays and stuff, and also a special set of sofas in luxury premium. Can be done in affordable as well on request. So take a look at those. Follow me on social media, on LinkedIn, on Facebook, and on Instagram. And you have to believe me and trust me when I tell you this, that nature is the only way to rejuvenate yourself and stuff. And next is water in this weather of Delhi NCR. And now when I go back, I'm sure there's something new which is going to come up my way. By the time I reach my office or my workstation and stuff, there'll be lots of new stuff floating around in my mind. So here's a tip: when you go for a walk and you soak up nature, allow everything within you to float and let it go freely. This is the only way to stay fresh and in the moment. Let the thoughts flow, let the music flow, let the images flow, let whatever's playing on your mind flow. All you have to do is just sit on your seat and watch it, and not let it affect you and stuff. This is the way how you play in life, at work and stuff and all, because work can get a little demanding, and it's not always a great time and a great day for everybody. But for me, it's been a good one so far, and whatever I've been planning over the weekend, I'm more or less on the path of achieving that. So, on that note, I want to tell you that move forward. But when you move forward, try and take a few people along with you and stuff, because that's the way everybody grows. That's the way everybody kind of benefits and stuff. But focus on your work. If you're in the line of a professional career or something, you got to focus only on yourself and your own immediate tasks and stuff. And of course, you can take a break and hang around with your colleagues and stuff, or go for a walk, or enjoy, soak up the sun and stuff, and come back. But do your work. It's a Monday, so slog is a word people must remember. You don't necessarily have to work hard. You have to slog your butt. You have to really put in your energy and your time and stuff, but not at the expense of burning yourself out or depleting yourself and stuff. So follow your body and its cues, and do stuff which uplifts you, because it's just a Monday. You got another 4-5 days to happen and stuff, right? So lage rahiye, enjoy kariye, remember to stay hydrated, and soak up some sun, have some fun, and take good care of yourself as well. And Hakuna Matata. Bye bye. Cheers.